there's good platform for laundromats: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, depends on the demographics. How do we think about this? How do we wrap our head around what a good platform is for a laundromat?
Okay, so first of all, you have to know your platform. With Facebook is always going to be a great platform, especially if you're wanting to reach like the demographic of 35 to like 80. Twitter, I mean, there's so much changes with Twitter. A year ago, I would have told you like absolutely like not. So when I first started Center Social in 2014, we did marketing on Facebook and Twitter. And then Twitter changed, it became a lot of politics and everything like that. But at the moment, it's still not. I mean, if you're a celebrity or like an influencer or something like that, then Twitter can be beneficial. Now, with the change of like a new owner, we don't know what's coming with Twitter. So it could possibly change back to Twitter, but as of now, no, Twitter is not anywhere that you want to be. Instagram, 100%, especially to catch the younger demographic, but older people are also getting on Instagram.
Yeah. So, okay. So we're looking at Instagram and Facebook, TikTok.
Yes. So we're still, yes, it's still very much up in the air. We're waiting to see exactly what's going to happen with TikTok. But yes, it's very beneficial. Like one of the laundromats that we work for posted a TikTok video literally of just the washer spinning, and it got 800 views.
Sweet.
In a matter of like 2 days, yes.
So Nick, I mean, just imagine if you were doing your dance routine on top of one of these spinning washers, how many views you could get, and Glenn's like, ew, TikTok.
I know. Lots of people do it.
And that's we all feel that way.
Yes. And then we still don't know. Like, we're waiting on to see. So if TikTok does not officially get canceled, then you're going to have to do it. Like, every business is going to have to do it. But we're still just waiting. I mean, it's essentially a waiting game right now.
Yeah. Well, and I mean, TikTok is one of those platforms that, it's new on the scene. And the thing that makes it appealing right now is that it hasn't yet gotten to that point where it's pay to play. I mean, it is a little bit, but not yet. Facebook and Instagram, those ones are a lot of pay to play. It's hard to get views and visibility sometimes on those platforms unless you're actually buying ads. TikTok, still, there's that kind of free views, that free exposure that you can still get right now, but there's a lot of kind of question marks surrounding that also. Awesome question. So definitely Facebook and Instagram. If you are bold enough, Twitter, and I joke about dancing and all that. That's kind of the joke reputation of TikTok, but even just going on and like you said, showing what's happening in your laundromat, showing what your machines are doing, which is just spinning clothes around. All of that can help gain exposure. Now, the whole point is to try to convert these eyeballs